Check it out! This thing breaks down into all the stuff you need to survive. All these pieces come apart. You got the hatchet head, handle, saw, and knife blade there. It's pretty cool. Another piece of handle, compass that goes in the butt of it, ferro rod for fire starting, whistle, and this is the last little piece with a window breaker. It all goes together to make one awesome hatchet. It even comes with a little grip tape, so you can put it on there for a little better grip. Every one of these joints is also screwed together with a silicone seal, so it's waterproof, and there's still plenty of room in there after the knife and the ferro rod to add a whole bunch of survival gear. You could have fishing line, hooks, some money in there, all kinds of stuff, and I haven't had a single problem with it coming unscrewed while playing with it. It always stayed screwed together the whole time I've been using it. Let's go play with it. Boom!
The Sharp Owl 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a fire starter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The Sharp Owl 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated fire starter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The Sharp Owl 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
Sharp Owl, giving you the edge.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, Take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.